Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a working SIM and mobile network. First, remove and reset the SIM, then reboot the phone to reset radio services. Once done, disable airplane mode and verify cellular data or LTE is active in settings. Make sure to note any SIM PIN or carrier account lock that could block calls. If the device still shows emergency calls only, proceed immediately to the network and account checks in the next steps. You should now dive into network and software diagnostics. Manually select your carrier in network operators to avoid wrong roaming picks, and toggle preferred network type between LTE/3G. If that fails, reset network settings to restore APN and IMS defaults, which often fixes emergency only. Make sure to install any pending system or carrier updates because modem firmware matters. Once updated, boot into safe mode to confirm a third-party app. You finish by isolating device versus account problems. Test a known good SIM in your phone and your SIM in another phone. If the issue follows the SIM, contact your carrier to verify provisioning, IMEI blocks, or regional outages and request a refresh. If it stays with the phone, perform a factory reset after a full backup to remove persistent config corruption. One key tip: if emergency only continues post-reset, document exact messages and times, then escalate to carrier support with IMEI and test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.